Right, today what we're going to look at is breaking brackets, also known as simplifying, topic from Algebra in National 5 Maths. The way this works is we see brackets that we've done some work on, but they generally look like this. So we've got two sets of brackets there. Right, so the technique for finding when it says simplify or break the brackets is we use this thing called FOIL, or there's a few ways of doing it, but let's just use FOIL. So FOIL, what that stands for, F-O-I-L. Right, F stands for the first members in each bracket. O stands for the outside ones. There's the outside ones there and there. Inside are these two inner ones here. And last are the last individuals in the brackets. Right, so, eventually we'll get used to this, but FOIL is quite a good way of thinking about it to start with. So we do the first, outside, inside, and last. Right, so from the first, what we do when we multiply x and 2x together, we've got 2x times x, and that's also known as 2x squared. And then we do our outside ones, which are, I can see them there, that's x at the start, and then at the very end, there's a minus 1. So x times 1 is just x times minus 1 is minus x. So that's given us our outside one. Right, and our inside ones, that's the 3 times 2x. Well, we can just think about 3 times 2 times x. 3 times 2 is 6. So that is the same as 6x, and it's positive because there's no negative thing involved in it. So that's 6x. And then we do our last terms finally. So our last terms are 3 times minus 1. And 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. So that gets us to this stage. Right, then the very last thing we've got to do is this one and this one are fine. There's nothing happens to this one. But the internal terms here, these two things here, we've just got to think they're of the same number of, we've both got x in them, and one number there. And a minus, but yeah, this one is an x squared one. That was just pure number one. These are both x's, so we just sort out these. So that's 6x and minus x. 6x take away x is 5x. So our first one is a 2x squared. The result of these two things, 6x take away x, gives us 5x. And then our last one is minus 3. So that's how we break brackets or simplify when we're given sort of problem like this. Use FOIL, and we'll get used to practicing with a few of them and getting used to doing it fairly automatically.